Processifier leverages the power of artificial intelligence and large language models to effortlessly filter your processes based on natural language descriptions. Unlike traditional methods that require manual input of complex constraints, Processifier empowers you to articulate your requirements in plain English, eliminating the need for intricate data wrangling. For example, if you're examining the purchase-to-pay cycle, you can effortlessly isolate cases that undergo immediate analysis following purchase requisition creation and involve a phase of selecting the optimal option further downstream. Simply express this requirement in natural language, and Processifier will seamlessly identify the relevant cases. Similarly, if your compliance or finance team needs to analyze cases with no payments, they can simply type their query into the text box and receive immediate results. This eliminates the need for specialized data analytics expertise, enabling domain experts to transform into citizen analysts capable of extracting valuable insights from their process data. This feature is directly available from your Power BI, ensuring enterprise-level data security. Visit our website for more details.